I'm Paul Glenn here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm aboard a 2025 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. This boat is just loaded with great features, and I want you to come aboard and let me show you a few. We're going to start on the back here. We've got twin 350 Mercs with a joystick drive system, and I want you to notice this full walkway. Even though we have outboards on here, even if they were in the tilted position, we still have plenty of room to walk. I love this feature here. We've got a ton of storage here, like if you want to put your boat bumpers, dock lines, your water toys and floats in here, we've got a ton of space to do so right here on the transom, close to the boarding ladder, so everything's really easy to get in and out of when you're enjoying your water sports. Bluetooth stereo control here, and we've got one at the helm as well. This is another great feature, especially for us in saltwater environments. Got a nice freshwater shower right on the back of the boat. This boat is equipped with a generator, so we've got air conditioning, we've got an electric grill, we've got refrigeration right here in the entertainment area of the cockpit. Got to have a trash can. Everybody likes to picnic on a boat. There's storage under every seat in here. You'll notice this really nice teak table that we've got. It can actually be tucked away and give you extra space in there if you want. I love the double helm on this boat. See, we've got the joystick right in the perfect spot for good ergonomics. And digital throttle and shift. We've got all our controls here. Twin Simrad screens. Fusion stereo system right here. Great room for a companion. We've got drop-down bolsters as well. Now, one of the great things about this boat also is the beautiful skylight that we have. So if you want to enjoy some of that good spring or fall weather, otherwise keep it closed and keep it air conditioned. Full glass windshield makes it great for visibility and safety. We have a nice wind dam right here to keep the wind and once again the pets and the kiddos corralled. We've got this huge lounger up here. There is another table that goes up here as well. Lots of space for sunning, relaxing. This boat also has an optional canvas that you can put up here if you just want to hang out in the shade. I like the way they did the rail system on here. We've got an electric windlass anchor on the front. This boat will actually sleep 5 down below. This area right here actually converts from a table to a dinette, to a sleeper. You'll notice we got our TV right there. Beautiful head system on this boat. Come take a look at the well-appointed sink and all the features there. We've got a nice shower. These can be used as couches, or you can make it into a bed. And lots of storage in this boat. Sea Ray's always been good about making storage wherever they had a place to make it. And this is just a great boat for you and your family to entertain your guests. My name is Paul. I'm here at MarineMax in Houston. I'll be glad to show you this boat, many of our other great offerings. Come check it out.